How you doing, everyone? Right, so this is the van build. It's time. It's all here. Got everything we need. I hope you're all well. I know it's been very quiet, but there's been a lot going on. Leon's just had his stitches out today, so he's got 2 more days with the cone on, and then that's him sorted. Yeah, him and Bowl don't get on yet, but we're working on it. So anyway, right, let's show you what the crack is. So this is the van. It's a 2004 Iveco Daily, same as mine. But it's the short wheelbase version. So this is going to be Marie's new home once we get it built. I've bought everything that we need. All in there. Got wood, I've got insulation, windows, skylights, batteries, absolutely everything. So, massive thank you again to Lunabus, I won't say your proper name, for helping us out big time with some kind donations. We've got some of the insulation at the bottom there, and also the 2 leisure batteries. 2 leisure batteries tucked down in there, and a battery to battery charger as well. Unbelievable. So thank you very much, mate. I know I've said it a million times already, but thank you again. I wouldn't be able to do it without you, I don't think, to be honest. This van is going to be on it is on a very tight budget, so it's not going to be, you know, quite as techy and stuff as mine, but it's going to be nice. It's going to be a very basic layout. We're going to go, because there's not a lot of room in here actually. I didn't realise it was this small. So we're going to go with the bed across the back. We're going to do it horizontal. Marie's not very tall, so we should be able to get away with it. So the bed is going to come to what? Probably about here, give or take. Then we're going to have a kitchen unit there. And then on this side she's going to have kind of like a breakfast bar. Because there's no point putting like seating and stuff in here, because obviously it's, you know, it's very small, so the seating would be rubbish. So probably going to do some kind of a breakfast bar that sort of comes out halfway across the door, and then have some high stools or something maybe. I don't know, we're not figured that out yet. We're going to build everything else first and then figure that part out. But she's going to have a fairly high, well, not as high as mine, it's going to be about half of the width of the, halfway up ish. So she'll have a garage space underneath as well, like mine. Yeah, I think it's going to be pretty cool. I think that's the way to go with this van. So I'm going to get cracking today. It's all ply lined already, so to save time we're not going to reply the walls. What I'm going to do is obviously take the ply off, insulate behind, insulate in the ribs, and then put a strip of hardboard up the ribs here, just to cover them, make it look a bit nicer. We've got tongue and groove for the roof and the bulkhead. I'm going to cut a doorway into the steel bulkhead so you can get through into the front, and then put tongue and groove on it. It should look pretty smart, I think, once it's all done. But yeah, so there we go. That's what's cracking, and better get on with it. Start pulling some of these panels off. Right, get on with it. So I'm just going to go around and do one panel at a time. fix them, doesn't it? Silicon. That's pristine underneath. That's what we like to see. And we need to clean it. So insulation, what we're going to do is, this is how, the same way that I did mine. So we're going to stick a layer of this to the metal. This is XPE foam. That high density foam stuff. And what that does is makes a sound barrier on the outside. It stops the panels rattling. And it does a really good job actually. So we're going to have a layer of that stuck to the metal. A layer of the double bubble wrap stuff glued on that. 2 layers of insulation and then another layer of bubble wrap to seal it all in, and then put the plywood back on. So yeah, it works well in my van, so I'm going to stick with it. Right, let's make a start. It's going to be fairly quick and dirty, this build. I mean, it'll be okay, like, it's not going to be crap or anything, but we need to get it done fairly quickly because obviously Marie needs a van. This hopefully, this video or this series of videos are going to show that actually it's not that hard to build one. You know, you can go as full on with it or do as little as you want. It doesn't really matter. You know, it's just by what your time is and how much money you've got. I know people that just have like a bloody blow up bed in the back of a van. So, you know, it's not impossible for anyone to do. I know a lot of people are quite intimidated by the idea at first. And you only need basic skills as well. I mean, I'm going to be building this with just the tools that I've got in my van. You don't need loads of fancy workshop and all that rubbish. You just need a lot of drive. That's the main thing. To keep yourself motivated when it gets a bit shit. There you go, so that's the first piece of that one. So, as an example, so it's a lot different sound. I'm going to do it in a minute. Once I've got all these bits done, you'll see the difference. It's ridiculous. I know quite a lot of people who follow on this channel who are either thinking about doing it or, you know, just started their builds and stuff. So, a bit of motivation for you. If I can manage to do this from a car park in a foreign country, then I'm sure you can do it. Yeah, that stuff goes on pretty quick. If you get air bubbles, just do a little hole like that and squeeze them out. They soon close up once you press it down. It's starting to sound different already. Right, next. Alright, so that's step one done. Put all that material on. So it's a lot deeper sound now. So yeah, now we go on to the bottom and put a layer of that over the top. I'm gonna have to be a bit stingy with the spray glue, unfortunately, because we've only got 2 cans. They didn't turn up. But, you know, what can you do? It's not too critical anyway, because obviously the panel holds it all on. That'll hold fine. Right, silver is done. Now I'm going to hit it with this thermofleece stuff. It's like recycled plastic. Right, there we go. That's the fleece in. So now I just need the reflectics over the top of that. So what I do now, as you can see, for like the vapour barrier kind of thing, this seals the whole panel in. We do the spray glue around the edge and just stick that to the edge all the way round, and that sort of seals the deal, and then you've got a proper good insulated wall. Alright, so there we go, that is the finished wall, minus a little bit in the corner there, and that's what it looks like. And then you just screw the plywood straight back on, and that'll all sit together lovely. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more sections to go. It's gonna be a long day. I've got some pictures along the way.
Fucking go! It's so windy. I didn't block you.
Is Leon still on his rug?
Yes, yeah.
Good boy.
Well, for a week, and I was suggesting some for
Yeah.
actually, birthday dress and I'll stick around the corner soon and stick that down.
Yeah.